Hey there! Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many developers face when updating Google Tag Manager to support CSP and nonce. The script provided for this purpose includes a line of code that might seem a bit puzzling at first. The n and j.setAttribute part is causing confusion for some, and we're here to shed some light on it. Stay tuned to unravel this tricky piece of code. Let's dive into the solution now. The line if n, j.setAttribute is the key to understanding the mystery behind the seemingly cryptic code. This snippet of code essentially checks if the variable n exists or has a truthy value before proceeding to set an attribute on the element j. It's a clever way to conditionally execute the attribute setting logic in a concise manner. The beauty of code optimization lies in such succinct yet powerful expressions. Building on that, further insight can be gained by examining the expression in and j.setAttribute. This construction leverages the short-circuiting behavior of the logical and operator to achieve a similar conditional execution flow. In this case, the attribute setting operation on element j will only be performed if the variable n is truthy. It's a nifty way to streamline the code and handle different scenarios elegantly. Now, let's take a closer look at in and j.setAttribute. By adding parentheses around n and j, a new context is created for the logical and operation. This grouping ensures that the condition involving both n and j is evaluated together before proceeding to set the attribute. While this might not be what the original code intended, it's an interesting twist that demonstrates the importance of parentheses in controlling the order of operations in JavaScript. In summary, we've unraveled the mystery behind the seemingly perplexing code snippet in Google Tag Manager script. Understanding how conditionals and logical operators interact can help you navigate similar challenges in your coding journey. Thanks for joining us on this exploration. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay curious, stay coding,